Hello guys, welcome back to my Lisa Marie Harris channel, and today I want to simply show you how to make a very easy, safe and hygienic all-purpose cleaner. And I just need a few ingredients. I'm sure you have it at home and you can start punching all the things together, and it's perfect for all kinds of surface. I would say let's get started. Alright, I got my apron and my dog joined this video too. Hey buddy! He loves it outside and always want to make sure I'm okay and protects me. So you just need here an empty spray bottle, some vinegar. Just the vinegar, I do it actually for my laundry. Benny, I know you're so cute, but you don't play yet. Go and play, we play later. And even for my laundry, there's a good way to save you a lot of troubles for future reference when you add always a cup of vinegar to your laundry. The softener and a little bit of the vinegar really helps that your washing machine gets less of the caulk and all the minerals. So the acid always dissolves it and makes your laundry more soft. And don't worry, the scent will get out soon the laundry is dry. Bottled water or filtered water, isopropyl alcohol. You know, you get it probably in every kind of pharmacy, even grocery stores have it. When you don't have that, you can also use hydrogen peroxide that also kills all kinds of germs. But I use both. Why not? To kind of save one and another. Dish liquid and my essential oils. I love the brand Now. I can send you a link for every little product here. And I would recommend trying to use natural essential oils for your well-being to measure my amounts. Bam. And make a safe, homemade, chemical-free, all-purpose cleaner. Well, I start with my vinegar here. I really go with 1 cup, a whole cup of vinegar. I put this in my bottle. I hope I don't make a whole mess. Wish me luck. I made a mess. I'm glad that I did not work in a chemical science project and I'm just a little mess maker here. You know what happens? So then I would go with this half cup isopropyl alcohol. You also can get ethanol. You know, they have some kind of weird meanings and I'm very bad saying those names right. But just make sure it is very high, like 91% or 70%. You should get one of those who really kill all the germs. It's funny. I feel like I'm a professor in a university and just teaching how to make a safe home all-purpose cleaner. I call it alcohol. Just don't drink it. Please don't drink this. It's way too strong and really could burn everything away. That's why it kills all the germs. Hydrogen peroxide. All those names, holy moly. And it goes a half cup of that. Then with this I would just take not too much, otherwise you really have so much foam when you clean your house. And that's it, just a little, tiny little bit. I would say this was probably 3 drops. Or you can make 1 or 2 pumps when you have this pumper. And we also want that our cleaner smells good. I use a little bit of spearmint because I like the fresh scent and it smells like my house is super fresh and clean. So I put 5 drops in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, be careful. Sometimes the drops really fall out super fast. And I like also the eucalyptus scent. I go also with 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I love orange. And I also take 5 drops of orange. And I go with 2 cups of water. I'll also drink one. Staying hydrated is very, very important. And oh, wish me luck, I'll probably make another whole mess. Whoa! Wasn't too bad. Ta-da! It's done. And now I just really shake it well, so you know, to get the essential oils and all the ingredients super mixed up together. And I would say now it's ready and good to go. Now you have a safe cleaner. So imagine you have a nice dinner and then there's a whole mess on the table, and then you just take it and spray it. When you have still paper towels, I just take one. Normally would take two, but I have to save it. Fold it and just clean it. Not even your surfaces gets bright, it makes you bright, because the surface you have will shine and be clean such perfectly without all those nasty little stripes and you think like, oh my god, here's something you have to clean. No, this really gets rid of everything and you're good to go. The ingredients I choose are meant to kill germs and to also leave a fresh scent and to have a very even, smooth, shiny surfaces. You know, you can even, swipe up toilets or your sink, but please, of course, change the paper towel every time you have a new surface. Do not mix up anything weird. Just saying. There's the little perfect housewife in me. Comes out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and I wish you all a good week. I send lots of love to everyone and wishing you all the best. Stay healthy, stay safe. And yeah, with this cleaner, you will be just fine. Cheers, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.